So guys, if you can see, I have landed my aircraft on the water. Water isn't in the cabin right now. The emergency window is ejected. Okay, now let's find a way out to take off the plane once more. Yeah, it's possible. If you guys think that once the plane is landed in the water, it can't be taken off again. I mean, not in reality, but in the game. So first what you have to do is you have to disengage the auto brakes, put on the landing gears and push the throttle to 90% approx. Push the rudder towards the right or left where you can see the ground, because you have to be sure that in front of you, slightly left or right, you should have a land, or else the aircraft won't be taken off. So if you don't have land, it's impossible for you to take off the aircraft once it's landed on water. Try to push towards the land as much as you can. Yeah, the pressure is well moving. So going towards this is the most crucial moment, because the aircraft should not hit the land too hard or too slowly, because if it's too hard it can be damaged, and if it's too low, then as you know, the aircraft doesn't have, rather any aircraft don't have any power in its wheels. So all you have is the propellers, and pull the throttle to 100%. Let's see what we can, because if the nose hits the ground hard, it might be oh my goodness, come on. You have to do is, when the aircraft can't climb, you have to do is towards the slope, you need to face the nose towards the slope, and you have to gain some throttle. Then yes, at last the aircraft is on its wheels once more on the ground. Taxi brakes on. Now I need to find a straight flat land to get the aircraft once again in air. Come on. So guys, okay, let's show you something. Put the parking brakes on, turbo brakes. Good. Shit. Why did I switch on the reverse first? I forgot that I left it up on the slope. First, let's take it out of the slope. I think this place is well and good. Okay. Sorry. Which way do we have the slope? Which way do we have the slope? Okay. Now let's check out. What? Was I sitting on the floor? I don't think so. Let's open the door and see what's the condition. I think it's rolling, which is not at all a good sign. Or something is happening to me. Yeah, that's still standing. I think I was moving a bit. Must be my aircraft. I just took it off from the water. I just can't believe in myself. Okay, let's take it back to the airport and push it into the... What is happening? I don't know what is happening. Come on, let's have a look flight. Shall I choose the road as a runway? Okay. Oops, it's a bit high from the... It's a bit... Oh, come on.